Two Indian-American technocrats, Krishna Kumar Erithil from Texas and Nikhil Deshpande from Georgia, have made it to the coveted State Scoop Top 50 2022 list. The State Scoop 50 Awards annually honor the best and brightest who make the state government more efficient and effective. While Erithil has been named State IT Leader of the Year, Deshpande has been declared the State Leadership of the Year. Erithil, who is the Director of Enterprise Solution Services for the Texas Department of Information Resources, has led Texas ahead in cloud ranking in the US. His contribution to emerging technologies qualified him to be nominated. Nikhil Deshpande, Georgia's longtime Chief Digital Officer, has played key roles in establishing the state's social media presence and leading the move to an enterprise-wide open-source publishing system. Recently, Deshpande's team has been working with agencies to improve their digital services. The 9th annual awards were presented at a reception in conjunction with the National Association of State Chief Information Officers mid-year conference in National Harbor, Maryland.